Alrighty guys, here we go with another video for y'all, my YouTube fans here. It's been a while since I posted on here, but I think it's time to jump back on these videos here. This is something new and refreshing. We got the GMC still up in here. We're doing a Starlight kit on it. Don't ask me how many and how long it's been here. We're focused on this one here. Boom, boom. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do a hit and kill switch on this truck. Customers concerned about them stealing his truck. You know, he's put a lot of money into this thing, and the last thing he needs is for them to steal it. So we're gonna go ahead and do a hit and kill switch. I'm gonna try to show you guys a little bit of the process, just in case you guys want to do the same for your GMC, Silverado, whatever kind of vehicle. We can install a kill switch that's gonna work perfectly for your vehicle. So let's go ahead and jump on this job here and get started. Let's see how it goes. Let me show you guys, make sure everything is working correctly. Make sure there's no check engine light on or anything like that already. That's one of the first things you want to check when you do any kind of jobs like this here. Make sure all the functions are good. Bam, 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 bam. So far everything looks good. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, just a little update here. So we got our wire loom, our taped up. You do have to use a good gauge power wire for you to run this kill switch. So we did have to run this guy through here. We're running it all the way through the firewall and tapping into one of these boxes here. Running it through in here. We're gonna run it somewhere and hide that switch somewhere. And I'll show you guys how it works, how it looks once it's all done. We're trying to keep it all nice and clean and original so I can match the original factory stuff, so there's no issues. Let's finish this up and I'll show you guys how it looks and works once it's all done. Alrighty guys, so we just finished installing the kill switch on this GMC. Let me show you guys what it looks like, what we did, just in case you guys want to do the same to yours. Before you start dumping all kinds of money, you need a nice little kill switch. This one I'm going to bring you guys next on that one. We did a hideaway kill switch. Kill switch is going to prevent from anybody stealing your truck. So it is involved here. So you can see all the wiring still look nice and clean. We did have to run the wire through that firewall. All that's good. Let me show you guys just how it works. Just in case you guys want to get something like this done. It's pretty neat. All right, foot on the brake. Start it up. Starts up pretty smooth. You can't see any wiring running through nowhere. Everything looks factory, I guarantee you that. We're gonna shut it off. I'm gonna hit my magic switch. I can't tell you guys where it is, but pay attention. Listen. It's somewhere along the area of the vehicle. Pressing the brake. The button is green, meaning it's trying to start. It will not start. I guarantee you again, it will not start. See that? All right, let me hit that magic switch. Listen, listen. Starts right up, baby. No lights on the dash. Beautiful hidden kill switch done. gotta move that stool. Let me back this sucker up. That's it. That's how you do the kill switch. Hit us up if you guys need a kill switch for any vehicle. This is just a toggle switch. It's not going to kill your whole battery. It's just directly to the starter to prevent from anybody starting it. You know, if you don't pay your car knowing that repo man comes and tries to start your truck, they can't. Or if you're parked somewhere where these thieves are stealing these cars like crazy, they can't steal it with that kill switch. Guess what? They can't program the key. I mean, they could program the key, but good luck on trying to start it if you have that switch activated. It will not work. This area that we're in is not so bad, but I know if you go out to LA or any other city around us, they'll steal it. So, done deal. Let's go on to the next job, guys.